Now, this is how to stake Polkadot, Solana, Kava, Osmosis, Cosmos, that's Atom, Texas, Tron, PMB. So, how do you do this? Let's say you have a Trust wallet, the latest this version of a Trust wallet as of the time of making this video. You go under Discover. Out of all the categories here under Discover, you go under staking, then you go under Polkadot. You make one Polkadot is $6 today. You now staking option have appeared, so you go under staking. Let's assume that you already have your Polkadot here, but if you don't, you can buy Polkadot on any exchange or buy it any both decentralized and centralized exchanges, and then you use the receive address here, your receive address here, and send it from the place you're sending from, and you can receive it here and go to staking. And yeah, so the minimum amount you can stake on Polkadot is 10, and you earn 40% per year. This is 40% per year. And lock time is 28 days. So when you click on stake, so these are the validators available. You can set any validator here. So this one's down here, they're inactive. So let's select the active validators, and then you click continue, and then you stake. So Solana, you go to stake. So staking these tokens are really very super simple. Just buy your token, use the receiving address, and receive it from your exchange, or you can stake minimum of 0.1 Sol, and you earn 6% per year. So this is where you see your validators. These are the active validators, only one inactive, so you select one. So staking on Trust Wallet is super simple. Just deposit your token, come to Discover, and find a token you can deposit. At least so far so good. 191 APR, that's annual percentage return. And so for native Ebmos, you are making 191% per annum. And Polkadot, Solana is 6.5%, Kava 24%, Osmosis, Cosmos, Tezos, and Tron. Like I showed you, just have to click on the coin and go under stake and put it the amount you want to stake, and then lock it up. You click on stake, you select your validator, and then see different validators. Set your validator, your active validator, and put the maximum amount you want to stake. And then when you click continue, you commit your token and all. So just know that each of them, like this one now, is when you click on stake, your stake funds, you can only access them 14 days from the day you clicked on stake. So make sure you take note of all these things. And as you are staking, so this is one way to earn passive yield on your tokens. I hope this was able to answer the question of one of my subscribers who asked for a video again on how to stake on Trust Wallet.